Is it true that you cannot supplement your own T production with some amount of exogenous T? Because as soon as you use exogenous T, your natural production shuts down completely.
Yes, if you put in enough that it's going to do the job. If you use like a shitty delivery method, like, so I got started on Andriol Testo caps, which is like those oral testosterone undecanoate capsules. This was back in 2016. So I think Australia got them super early, but yeah, so I got put on like one soft gel 3 times a day, which the first day was sick. Like the first day that I took it, I was like, this is moving me in the right direction. And then after 3 or 4 days, I very quickly noticed that I only felt good for like an hour or two after I took them. Okay. So when I got my blood work done, I think I'd taken the soft gel that morning, and then I got the blood work done at midday, and my levels were not suppressed, but my LH and FSH were at like 2 or 3, and my total testosterone was like half of where it was when it was already low. So yeah, you can definitely put a tiny amount of test in there, but you'll be in a worse off position than before you started, because you'll still down regulate your production, but you just won't shut it down. So if you put like, basically, if your body is regulating at whatever level it is, and let's say it's secondary hypogonadism and you're suppressed, if you put a significantly more amount of testosterone in there that your body is naturally producing at that point, you will shut down the feedback mechanism. Absolutely. So in the purpose that we're doing TRT, this can't be done. If it could be done, it would be sick and we'd all be doing it. Like if we could keep our natural production and top it up to a level that was optimal, everyone would be doing that. And this is what I say to guys is like, if we could do TRT optimally, and like I know that you use cream and a lot of guys use cream and that works well, but the reason why guys like me do injections is because there's not a better option. And if there was a better option that didn't involve stabbing ourselves, we would do it. And so would everyone else. But basically, it's like you've got the cream or injections, and cream works great for some people and it doesn't work for other people, but it's injections and it's just the way it is. But yeah, it does shut down your natural production. And that's just how, unfortunately, the male body works. And I mean, you could add tamoxifen or Clomid into your TRT and you would keep your LH-FSH signal, but it wouldn't be worth it. Like it would be a net negative overall. So it could be done functionally, but you'd be in a way worse off health position for doing it, and you'd be overriding that feedback mechanism by blocking stuff anyway. So for the purpose of TRT, it would be great if we could do this. If anyone tells you that they can do this, they've either worked something out that we all haven't worked out yet, or they're full of shit, and it would most likely be the second.